Welcome back. The High Court has issued notice to the Union Government, State Government and investigating agencies like NIA, CBI and ACB in the dual citizenship matter. The High Court has asked in its notice why a preliminary inquiry was not conducted after receiving a complaint. The matter of 2 sitting MLAs, 43 advocates and 2 police officers are allegedly holding dual citizenship.
In the dual citizenship matter, the High Court on Monday issued notice to the central and state government's central investigating agencies NIA and CBI, state investigating agencies Goa Police, CID and ACB. The High Court issued the notice after hearing a petition filed by Kashinath Shetye and Ketan Govekar. The High Court has asked all the parties to reply that why not even preliminary inquiry was conducted after receiving complaint. The petitioner has alleged that accused are having citizenship of Portugal, but they are not declaring it and holding different government posts. In the list of accused, petitioner has named 2 sitting MLAs, 43 advocates and 2 police officers. The High Court has directed all the respondents to file their replies in 3 weeks. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Persons of Goan origin who were born abroad before liberation shall be deemed to have become citizens of India, provided their parents or grandparents were born before 20th December 1961. This was clarified by Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar while answering a question raised by Kiran Kandorkar.
Persons who were born abroad to Goan parents holding Indian citizenship as per Goa Dominant Due Citizenship Order 1962 shall be citizen of India provided their births have been registered in Indian missions abroad. For this purpose, the elections, voting cards and other documents apart from them having completed schools and college education in Goa be accepted to be proof of having resided in Goa since long, and accordingly their citizenship issues should be examined favorably after verifying the genuineness of the documents by means of detailed inquiry before issuance of citizenship certificate. In the light of favorable responses from Government of India, the State Home Department has initiated a process of pursuing all such cases of Goan born abroad for grant of Indian citizenship certificate with the Ministry of Home Affairs, so that once granted they would be able to obtain Indian passport. 20 डिसेंबर 1961 ही एक अत्यंत महत्वाची तारीख आहे. दुसरी तारीख आसा 28 मार्च 1962. 28 मार्च 1962 केंद्र सरकारान गव्हर्मेंट गॅझेट काढला, Series 1 number 13. So government took out an order under Section 7 of the Citizenship Act 1955, which said that any person having a passport or citizenship of any country but born in Goa has to declare to the Government of India within 30 days that he wants to retain that citizenship. म्हणजे कोणाक पुर्तुगेज सिटीजनशीप दवरपाची आशिल्ली पळय, तांच्यांनी 30 दिसां भितर सरकाराक सांगूंक जाय आसलें की आमकां पुर्तुगेज सिटीजनशीप दवरूंक जाय, जाल्यार ताका पुर्तुगेज पासपोर्ट घेवन वचपाक मेळटालो. ताणें जर तूं 30 दिसां भितर कळयलें ना जाल्यार ऑटोमॅटीक तो इंडियन सिटीजन जालो. म्हणजे पेरंट ऑटोमॅटीक जर इंडियन सिटीजन जाले त्या ऑर्डरीचेर, जाल्यार भुरगो 18 वर्सांचो सकयल आसल्यार तोय ऑटोमॅटीक इंडियन सिटीजन जाता. मागीर केन्ना जी सिटीजनशीप वता, काय तुजें काळीज मातशें आनी ग्लेनाचें काळीज लायट जातलें. You have to give in writing to Government of Goa after attaining 18 years of age within 6 months. Then only he can change over the citizenship.
A 3-day convention has started at Kala Academy in Panji to discuss the way of innovation in pharma sector. Inaugurating this event, State Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar has said that Goa government will give all the support to those who want to set up an industry in the state.
A 3-day convention organized by Indian Pharmaceuticals Association started on Monday at Kala Academy in Panji. In this convention, pharma professionals, researchers and industrialists from across the country participated to discuss and explore new challenges and solutions before the pharma industry. Speaking at this event, State Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar said that Goa is becoming a leading pharma hub and the state government is ready to welcome many more industries in the state.
Our government is making all attempts to make the environment for the pharma industry more friendly, including a one-window clearance system. Attempts attempts for increasing the water supply and uninterrupted power supply are already on.
Parsekar also said that many more diseases are coming to the light, so the pharma professionals and researchers have greater challenge to develop effective and quality drugs in affordable prices.
The scientists all over the world face strong challenges and tests to innovate and build new drugs which can cure and address such diseases and provide relief to such sufferers, which such patients would undertake if the medicines are made available at an affordable prices or affordable rates.
With video journalist Chetan Gauss, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Independent MLA Rohan Khaute grilled Tourism Minister Dilip Parwikar by alleging fixing in Carnival event management and demanded probe. He charged that tender for Carnival has been repeatedly given to only one firm. Moreover, Khaute questioned the minister over members of subcommittees and their expertise to scrutinize the tenders. Parwikar has challenged Khaute to prove his charges with documentary evidence.
Speaker sir, tender document एक काडिल्लो आशिल्लो for the empaneled agencies. ते empaneled agencies जो तुम्ही डिटेल्स काडिल्ले टेंडरा प्रमाणे ते फॉलो करपाक जाय आशिल्ले. जेन्ना तुम्ही जो अपॉइंट करताले टेक्निकल बीड आशिल्ली, फायनान्शियल बीड आशिल्ली आणि क्रिएटिव्ह क्रायटेरिया आशिल्ली. हातून तुम्ही एक सब कमिटी फॉर्म केल्ली. बिकॉज देर वॉज अ सरपंच ऑफ सालिगांव एकनाथ आरोसकर आणि आवितो पिंटो म्हणून सालिगांवचो वॉज देअर ऑन दॅट पॅनल. कॅन आय नो देअर क्वालिफिकेशन फॉर लुकिंग एट दीस टेंडर डॉक्युमेंट? दोगूय जाण सालिगांवचे.
तातूंत कितें जालें?
दोगूय जाण सालिगांवचे एक्सपर्ट्स.
हय आसतले एक्सपर्ट्स.
पयलीं हांव हाजेर ऑब्जेक्शन काडटा प्रश्नाचेर. सरकाराचो अधिकार आसता नेमपाचे जे पळय फ्री मेंबर आसता, इट इज प्रोगेटिव्ह ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट टू अपॉइंट द मेंबर्स. बाकीचे जे कोण आसा 7 जाणां पैकी 5 जाण जे आसा ते बाय डेजिग्नेशन्स आसात. ताजे सिनियर ऑफिसर्स आसा. 2 जाण सरकार नेमता, तो सरकाराचो प्रोगेटिव्ह आसा. दॅट प्रोगेटिव्ह कॅनॉट बी चॅलेंज. दे आर ओन्ली 2 आउट ऑफ 7. दे आर नॉट एवरीथींग.
स्पीकर सर, प्रश्न एकूच हाजे खातीर आशिल्लो कित्याक एवरी टायम द प्रोजेक्ट गोज टू ओन्ली वन एजन्सी.
स्पीकर सर, पयलीं चार्ज केला पळय जे दोन आमचे कोण ते मेंबर घातल्या पळय ते इनएफिशियंट चलना म्हणून तांणी आमचे डॉक्युमेंट दिवचे. वो एक जी एजन्सी आसा विन्सन ग्राफीक आसा हांकां परत परत टेंडर दिता. कित्याक लागून दिता आनी कशे भितर सेटिंग जर आसा जाल्यार तेंच्यांनी दिवचे. हांव चार्ज हे करता, चॅलेंज करता.
Sir, I take the challenge. I will place the documents on the table. I will place why Vincent and what Vincent has been given
you will place,
as regards to this particular thing.
Place the documents here.
जेन्ना टेंडर फ्लोट केला तुम्ही कोणा येवचे नाका पण तशें बरयल्ले टेंडरान वा सगळ्यांक ओपन आशिल्ले. हांव इतलें विचारता.
ना मागीर बसात, मातशे बसात.
आज सेम कितें वॉट्स युअर प्रॉब्लेम? हांव विचारता मरे, तूं विचार मरे. तुझे क्वेश्चन विचार मरे तूं. हांव विचार मरे क्वेश्चन विचारता मरे. तूं केले प्रॉब्लेम हा?
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.